So today I'll be styling a wig from RPG Hair. It's their 8-inch short curly bob wig, and inside is kind of like a baby hair comb thing, and then the wig, obviously. And then they have this pamphlet with some information about their wigs and how to take care of it. And then last but not least, they included like a free item for Black Friday, taming flyaways. So I use the Pump It Up spray when I'm, oh my gosh, when I'm not using a lace glue of some sort. And I'll spray that all around my edges on both sides and then wait for it to dry. And then after, I will apply Got to Be Glued and spread it around my edges the same way I did the Pump It spray after it has dried. But it has to like dry where it's still like a little tacky, and then you apply the Got to Be and wait until it gets a little tacky as well. And basically dance and let everything dry. So then you just slide your wig on top of where you applied your adhesive or your gel, whatever it is. And then the next step is to comb it in there. And like I make like the weirdest faces when I'm like super focused. But yeah, just comb the hair, kind of like just, I guess, making everything, the lace lay into the adhesive. And then you just do that all around your perimeter. Then the next step, of course, is to tie everything. Ooh, I'm taking it off. Okay. And then like now everything is like kind of pushed back, it's dry, and now just cut off the lace. And then I'll be using a razor to have a more natural and precise hairline. But like be very careful with this because it could be so easy, depending on how thin or thick your lace is, to just cut like deeper than you want to, which I actually did with this wig. You might also want to whip out the scissors to get a closer cut to make sure that there's no extra lace to be seen. So at some point, I cut around here and that area didn't dry enough yet, but that's okay. I'll just apply some more Got to Be and wait for it to dry again. Yeah, so here I'm just digging the areas that didn't dry again and like pressing it into the adhesive again. Normally this area is like pretty hard to stick, as you might know. So off camera, I had cut off the other lace from the other side and tied up my hair to make everything lay and dry. And then I just brushed the hair just because just because. It makes it easier to style the baby hair. Basically, what I'm going to do is pull hair from in front of, like basically at the beginning of the hairline, and then style it with my Lotta Body foam spray.
Big mamas decided to do. They said, well, you know what? We're gonna think smart. Good. We need this damn bag, okay?
And as usual, just using an old toothbrush or a new toothbrush, whatever toothbrush, not for your teeth, to curve the baby hairs. Which, okay, fine. These aren't really baby hairs. Like, I didn't cut them. But I don't really like to cut my baby hairs. So I just style them and, like, let them flow into the rest of the hair. Okay, so these are just the baby hairs that I created. I don't even know how I want to style it, really. It seems like that one don't want to lay down. Like, do I part in the middle? Like, I don't know. To be honest here, I really didn't know what I was doing. I was just combing through it, trying to see what looked cute. I bought this because I wanted to do a slick back hairstyle, like for the future, like if I'm going somewhere fancy or something. But I wasn't going anywhere fancy today, so I wasn't gonna do that. But just playing with it. Like if you get this wig, just play with it. So, which is what I'm doing here, just playing, figuring things out.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yes.
Oh, so cute.
Yep.
This is so cute. No. You need to stay like this. No, it kind of messed up what we just did. That type of stuff. Yeah, that's so fucking cute. Do you see this? Oh my god, it's so adorable. Anyway, so now this side. It's so great because like I always wanted this like slick back look in here. It really doesn't matter. So this is the finished look. And then I also like changed it up a little by putting a little clip at the inside of it. And see, like I touched up my baby hairs and everything. And I thought I looked like a little baby doll. Thanks for watching.